Hello there! Do you want to learn how to set up a new Pocketbase project? In this video, we will learn exactly that. We will set up a new project, configure it, and then create the tables needed for the expense tracker application. This video is the first part of the free Pocketbase course. If you want to know more about the project and Pocketbase itself, check out my last two videos. So let's dive in. Before we set up a new project, we create a new project directory called expense tracker, and in it we create a second directory called backend. Now, to create a new Pocketbase project, we need to download the newest version and unzip it. You can find the command in the video description. To then start Pocketbase, you have to call the binary with the serve command. To open the web UI, go to localhost 8090 _. Here you have to create your admin account. After you created the admin account, you land on the main UI for Pocketbase. Here you can create tables, records, and so on. Additionally, there is a left sidebar with a settings button that we will click on to complete the configuration. In the application tab, we change the application name to expense tracker. Then we go to mail settings. In this tab, you can set the sender address, and modify the templates. For me, sending an email with send mail did not work. Therefore, I set up a SMTP using Bravo. You can follow the linked guide to do the same. We will skip the sections file storage and backups, as they will be relevant when we release a production build of the application and not while building the development build. Now we will go back to the Collections tab and click on the button New Collection. We will call the collection categories and create two new fields called name and icon. They are of the types plain text and file. After that, we click on create to create the collection. Next, we will create the expenses collection with the fields label, expense, currency, and category. The types of these fields are plain text, number, select with the option euro, and the option non-empty. And finally, a relation to the categories collection. For testing purposes, you can also create a first category and expense by going to the collection and clicking on New Record. And with that, we've set up the basis for our expense tracker application. Easy, wasn't it? If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next part.